Hi guys, my name is Gemma and today I'm going to be teaching you how to Ep.1 of how to install Python in Visual Studios, which is the necessary factors to write program on Python. So this video I'm going to just be showing you how to do that. First step is to install the Python program, of course. So go to your browser and then just search up Python like that. And then as you can see, Python.org, this one, click on it, welcome to Python.org. And then once you're in this website, what you do is you go to downloads. And then right here is a Python 3.9 for Windows. So all you gotta do is click it. And then it's gonna download for you. Okay, good. All you gotta do, click this, click open. And it should come up in a few seconds. There, smart screen can't be reached now. Check your internet. Okay, wait. Just click run it, guys. Yep, and now once you're into this page, what you do is you click install now. Wait, make sure to click this first, add Python. Then click install now. Click yes. And it's gonna install for you. Like so. Might take a while. But yeah, you can wait. And it's almost done. Also, this one is the newest, latest 3.9. So if you're on the other versions, I think you're okay too. So yeah. Now since you're done, what you do is just click this. Click yes. And setup was successful. Close. Now once you go to your in here you search up Python, there's probably this 164-bit. You click that, and then there's like this. You could type your code over here. So like pretend print. This is just testing. So this is how to print something. So like hello, then click enter, and then print hello. So yeah, this is where you can test out your code, I guess, and then click out that, search it up, Python. Okay, now just click open this one, idle, okay. This is also where you can test your code again. So print hello, and then print hello. There. Okay. Good. After that, let's install Visual Studios. There. And click the first link that comes up. Then download it. Okay, next. Okay, click open. I accept, next. Browser your location. I guess I'm just gonna install my data ID. Okay. And then click next. Next. And create desktop icon. Next. Install. There. While that's working, I'm just going to go check on, actually it's really quick. Last time when I did it, it was kind of slow, so. Yeah, okay, there we go. And then click finish. And this is Visual Studios. As you can see, I've been working a little bit. This is for other clips, so don't you dare look at it because it's secret. First, so let me just delete this. Save. Save. Next, save. There, okay. So now we're left with Ep.1, and let me just show you how it works. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to print code and how to comment on it. So once you've got this all set up already, okay, in Visual Studios, this is where you are, and yeah, you don't have to do anything anymore. This is where you can write your code and stuff. So let me just pretend. So today I'm going to be showing you how to print you need to have these parentheses, and then in the middle you could have a single quote like that, or you could have quotation marks like that to print. So let's pretend we're gonna print hello world exclamation point. Then all I gotta do, click run, and then it runs here. Hello world. Okay, nice. And it will automatically save for you once you click play. So let me just show you. If we don't click play, it will have an icon right over here that says unsaved. So let me just pretend just hello. See? One unsaved right here. So once you click play though, this right here is gone and there's hello. Okay, nice. Now for commenting. So over here, to comment a single line, you could either do like up here, so like hashtag, this is the code for print displaying your text. Okay, this is the code for displaying your text right here. Print hello. Or if it's up here and you can't remember which one it is, you can put it right beside it too. And you can even put it under. So yeah, up to you. And I like to put it on the side because I know what code it is. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how to comment with multiple lines, not only one line. Okay, so like this. Wait. Okay. So what you do is you put 3 single quotes like this. 1, 2, 3. And down here you put 1, 2, 3. Nice. And in the middle you could say like, this is the code for displaying your text. There we go. And if you play it, there, hello. And it won't show this or this because they're both comments. And however, if you pretend like you miss one quote like that, it'll come up syntax error right here. Syntax error means that something is wrong with your code. So how to fix it is to go back and it will actually, like, I think it does help you triple quote it. Yeah, see? Triple quote it. It needs to be triple quote, not 2. So just add one more, like so. And whoops. Add one more and click play. Then there you go. No more syntax error. Also, if you're like a person like me and you don't like this messy stuff, all you gotta do is click kill terminal and then it will clear everything for you. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. See you in the next video. Bye.